Hi all. Welcome to Missan IT Solutions, where we make IT happen.
Hello everyone, this is Shamima working as IT support specialist at Missan IT Solutions. Today let's see how to clone a disk to the new SSD. Click on computer management. You can run as administrator or you can directly open it. You can click on disk management in order to view the existing disk and the new disk which you have connected to the computer. So I have connected SSD via USB and the existing disk is already having C and D volume which you can see. Disk 0 is my source and disk 2 is my new SSD which is a raw partition showing as unallocated space. Okay, let's pull up the ESS partition master. ESS partition master has backup and restore, data recovery options, cloning, driver updates, PC transfers, more EC tools for any data transfer or data recovery. So let's click on start now. This is the easiest method in order to transfer the data from old computer to the new computer or old hard disk to the new hard disk. So once you click on clone, you will be able to see disk 0, which is your source disk, and hit next. You'll be able to see the target disk as well, which is disk 2, which is mentioned as unallocated. I have used both as 500 GB. You can have multiple options like autofit the disk or clone at this same like a source, or you can also edit the disk layout according to your preferences. Proceed and then enter the license code for the activation. Once you enter the license code, you can click on activate. So the cloning has started. Once the cloning is completed, you can choose do nothing and click on finish. So the cloning is completed. You will be able to see the same volumes available in disk 0, which is cloned to disk 2 with the same size, but it has a different drive letters. While booting it to the new system, you can change the drive letter accordingly. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching. For more updates, follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.